Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Code with Manas. So friends, in this video, firstly we just enable the validation with using Parsley Validation. So here it is, Parsley, as it is easy. It's nothing more like to install anything. We just copy these lines, that this is parsley.css, and another we should use parsley.js. Copy this. So if you are using Windows 7, then you have a multiple option to copy multiple things. I just copy that, and after that I just need to copy this Parsley validate. Moving towards the code, footer, header. Okay, here we just firstly I will write it the CSS path parsley.css, and after that I'll write the parsley.js in the footer, this min.js. And now here when we use this parsley.validate after the prevent default, so after this prevent default just write if told this parsley.validate and cover prevent ajax inside this. Okay, now what why we are using Parsley validation? Because sometimes when you are I will show you, when you are writing the spaces like our normal, I will just undo this, save it. Okay, refresh it. admin@gmail.com and password, let when I'm ending the space, just I will show you, I'm ending the space over here, so it actually counts the space. So and when I click on the sign in button, it actually reflects the undefined property messing that @first, because it actually count that first as a value, but we don't want to we don't need to add the space on this. So why here I will use this Parsley validation. So parsley.validate, if $this Parsley validate, if it confirms that this is the if it has all the attributes right on go, then it will then the code will process this, otherwise it will block the code. I will refresh it, and if now I will enter the space over here and make, I think first I will confirm that I am writing the required attribute in both the input type password. Yes, I have to write requirt, and also this input type email required. Okay, save it and refresh it. So now when I'm writing the spaces, it actually don't count. I will show you. Block sign in, so it shows the error, the value is required. Now just go to the authentication page, authenticate controller. Now here we just do one thing more, like we have auth attempted, like successfully we authenticate the user, but now here we have to do one condition more, that the user should be admin user. So if I am authenticating the user, it's the first step. Now the second step should be, if auth user has role, what should be the role over here? Let me show you the role. So it is English e-commerce, the role should be admin. So here I am confirming that if the role has admin, the user who is authenticated, that it should be authenticated user should be admin. If it is admin, then it will go to this, else it will go to this path, message successfully login, And one thing more, I will want to write URL, because we just dynamically passing this user to a particular URL. So I will write it admin slash BOART dashboard, BOART dashboard, and else if the user is not from, meantime I'm just writing this invalid user. So here auth attempt is working, attempt user, let me check if it is working. admin@gmail.com, clear it once, password 1234 1234, sign in, pending, yes, 200, yes, successfully login, user is URL this admin slash dashboard. Okay, now moving towards the footer. If this is success, if result dot status is equal to success, now come to this window dot location dot href is equal to result dot URL. Simply write this, else alert result dot message. Fine. Now one thing more, from the web.php I will comment this, and admin slash dashboard, okay, return, sorry, but I will actually do for now return view return redirect admin slash dash BOART dashboard, admin@gmail.com, and password 1234, sign in, yes, it is actually redirecting to the admin slash dashboard. So now if the user is not authenticated, it should redirect to the login page. So I will write it login here inside the middleware admin auth. Now I'm trying to remove the cookies so that it should log out. Okay, so when I'm trying to go to the dashboard page, it is not going to the dashboard, it is actually redirecting me to the login page. So it works fine. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now here inside this I have a logout button, will make it quickly working. Go inside sidebar, just search for the, sorry, here search for the logout, here it is logout, yes, simply write logout, save it, copy, and sign in page, sorry, I will just copy this. If I'm getting any logout, then auth log out. Also return redirect to login. Okay, just check it, refresh. The use statement with non-compound name auth has no effect. Okay, remove this, refresh, fine, go to logout, it also works fine. Yes, it works fine. So we just make the login method successfully. So in the next video we'll make the user profile section where the admin enters his value and save his like the data, like company email, sorry, his or her email, and can change the password or also change the image or anything else. We'll cover it in the next video. So if you like the video, just do subscribe our channel. Thank you.